Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete media from your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Keynote application. Enter to open up the Keynote application. Now let's go to the top toolbar. Go to File. Go to Open. This should take us directly to the desktop where we see presentation.key. Click on this and then open up the presentation on screen. So now the purpose of this tutorial is to delete all the media that we have inserted from the previous tutorials. So we can click on the photo, click on delete, or right click a photo, and we can cut this image. So that's gone. Let's now go to the next slide. Right click this video. We can either replace media, but I will bring up another prompt on screen for us to replace it with, or click on the video and delete so that video itself is gone. Or what we can do is delete the presentation itself, highlight, and the whole slide itself has been deleted. So Command S to save. We can quit the Keynote application. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.